Because then your brother they show listen. Sorry,
oh, now not today. Who may not get straight as you talk and say, not everybody get the same power. Let me get because my mighty you go man. I just motor now. I don't want to marry. If you know say not get change, who not buy a I'm looking at you.
Ike swemba ina we kere ehia ya go the guy igu ina we dene Sharon your mind egbe anyway to start with no hia na ya abia in Nigeria only na I still stand on my ground opinion me give we at least they no hospital ladiani and wakpa the hero wakpa is a different thing. Mehia blame I was a failure o felegbe then ni abi ye na ruo wakpani at least or be me 2 months I be me one month let's say per se what they go they will
Mama, let's assume where Ije Gwero Wakpa. Let's assume like my mom okay no slip out of my hand. Ah maybe na amujere many years no mo dala na to na ya amujere that I na have na a life for my guy take gear na mo we ya de meje mo we ni bo adere honorable share I would have do it better me when my younger brother gave birth to his son the first child he married there emiane gwo here yoto she was there all facing so we jiro wo mati gba obi ya let's assume we jereba ijereba ni egbe mara nse e ho moto boy mo me
Ave we egbema anything for me o leni me ya ave we egbema ranje as long the way iye on a restaurant or he with that same house a little okay o we me na ya na hitana ni adoma no lose e boy any man lose boy any man lose
Mama says baby
yo talk Keki je the lady all lose even na ya.
Mama Sexy baby, you are right. A boy animal lose. Is your lose.
That's my opinion.
Yeah, no problem. Opinion well, no me I understand you very well. Because if you find me only me try anytime, we need understand with your opinion well na. Eje ya o me kokpa. Ije soro ya ga tie ve doya tini na ya wa we nemi gban ne on your phone. Ije soro ya ata oni ya ata ni ya zeyo ije soro ya ne papa festo si kan taisi we oye vie mi ve ayo ye viogi obi ni ije soro verio ya ga wa mo ni ya wa ta lo akwo money gi ono mako ne
zera good je we ogo we la go now ye 1 minute in there e mo meeting na ya go make na mo eleti na ga ijobo kan me now
Remo hawa lo skata e floor be mana. E come to resi.
Mommy T.
Mommy, eregbo
je cause like ça. Emi aye mo don je.
The only thing now is that where definitely making it where the emotion you are going. Where give me am pa we again ga me health issue. Because I called it to Emi Akata for the first time. Where that oga question of taking over a brain. Ohana amwe operation your maya iwe akabeje oniru. So go give a BNN. You understand? Go give a BNN. Go give a so when they start by time, ije ya okpa. Ije so do ga mo we mo yo to. Be tam me no imi anse. Ije so wa be ro or wa be mo e kana wa be tie or wa be full. You understand? Ye kere ni me na be blame ye Sharon be water ni ye kere na blame we be no e wo we the health issue ni won no matter the no soon no keke no tell area assistance kere ine omo e bi omo ne me igbe.
Thank you.
So only na be dey cover and on the second one you bad me dey ni me to be manager ni mo meeting ya ni me ya they give all this need take all this matter. I'm making a demand and I agree. You understand? Concerning that audio, image I mean why my mother for me agree ni what you me ya giezo gie me. Ima na agree na get a joke me voice giegbe. Maga say to the matter ni instantly when that get delete message ni.
Oh.
because emi na yezo yata no. Amana gi delete because amemi no soon me the next minute. That voice call should be used against you. Maya okay emi okay kan wari enwa ni maya fe. Emi na yezo ka na gbe nana pe voice call wala wo wa ga settle ni wa delete.
Okay. Message.
So another one ni the boy.
Mama, when I read delete so when we were sending us get forward the egg your mama you tapping on anybody here you save here you flash it down.
That's wickedness. That's wickedness.
So another one ni only time no what they call bonoze e sharon. I'll why marry a piece in it. And here we na be anegbezo. So the thickness was too much for her. You understand? Okay, na that when be gbe ni. Ije na advice in egi to and all those things. Or mi o ma mu isabonya. Won that thickness in here be say yo. O se ke na wa na gbe o se ke ni ije na gbe. And if I don't say be okay can make a peace with ije o. Oni bereba. Okay can wa make a peace. O we no mami. Oh boy, tan say. Dete peace ni ga areba. Maybe the more say na ya mi go ma be ije go. You understand? All these things for me, it might me blame a bossy or that for a Sharon, do they buy they 40 go.
Message.
Mommy, sassy mommy, yeah, you know what?
A Sharon KB. A Sharon KB. Or we have just said to
Come up, beg.
what done we are?
Mama, go back.
I want to hear tell no that mama says you told
A
me.
Sharon KB or we have just said
Mommy says.
And here you have walk do what here tasing where Ijema advice. Wa kwen here have gwan we e sharon ado guje gwan. Ije ga advice o bosio ya ka mosio ewe eminiji ye ka mi. Osio ewe we ni jwe ka ewu. Mwen avi jwe ri ya yo manegi ma we ni ma ka e. The truth of the matter we momiti ni ta ban we ara podio go delete. A reason not the only good ladia. Or emine a baby father reta against ije. Or no release or Johnny good release or Johnny way. Okay, e boy ni do by J.
Mama Grace.
EJ.
Well, usually my respect to the platform now. We have no time to make the band where Ijemo ga ibomode omo ibo si oye osi yi kan na abishi mark megbe we my own way mama eri ya we abere ya sunu is too well eri ya ga abere ya sunu do not forget
Mama.
the same listener one point now here dey o ije Lizzy or deba Lizzy ne ko na mo wa na tawo me na bitali.
Mama, all one in where tani. Every I fell no some kedo adi na we masero. Emi ni ma o ma yagwa. Abi mama.
Can I say something?
Emi ni aviola dia. Ma ya Georgina.
Princess my go. Mama problem.
Mommy Michelle na we go.
Wage princess igwane.
Grace Johnson Joe. Am I finishing? Grace Johnson, am I finishing? Me not about.
No, mama, e matter na concerning.
Hey, mommy Grace, just pick up one after the other. That way,
mommy Grace.
Man, that's the teacher.
E matter na. Mama Grace Johnson, e cannot mudi aji. E blame no wariri ari giye Sharon. E mommy Grace Johnson ereva. You understand? I stand.
Oh yeah.
Giye Sharon, I wife blame.
I want mommy
Princess Agwane,
Mama Mutia, a platform na go to na
Yeah, talk your own.
one after the other. Wa agwan. O ma agwan. No interruption.
Just why you drop?
Giovanni tell me go careful. So a princess guy Guana, we must say TikTok na one mashana.
No,
So one after well head talk when Mudiane we can meet in one after the other people when they comment section go understand wetin we dey talk joke and pass make better joke make up me na man made a mistake. Mommy great mommy princess guy Guana Why not? Get him out of it. Everybody mute. Any okay, Guanana Tawe, you're talking here, no meeting. The question we're supposed to ask her. Go on your one after the other hand and no river anota who igbava. So why here anota? Utawe in a question who has up and answer that meeting. Oh yeah, mommy princess you were one, but him matter else we one meeting. That will go. Mommy princess we are called where? Tell me, we work with them and we watch in our here like boss we check it.
I bet
Mommy princess.
before she come and answer comment section.
Oh yeah, let's get on where.
Say naughty day the odds with normal quarrel between two couples. A normal quarrel. Okogwa hammer for 9 months. We dale no bago with normal quarrel no. Only a normal quarrel, please. Since she not there available to talk. Madam Michelle, Mommy Michelle. Mommy Michelle.
Oh yeah, Mommy Michelle, yeah. Oh yeah, carry on.
Irema.
Come on, me book na lamo book we get my when my come to when if I want you ya raise.
Italia vero. Iwatu wahia fefefe ni iwatu wahia bowie. Itu emo wa happy Sunday to you all. Itu wahia. Emeni mi awata wa different in emeni wahia tasi. Obi mena.
Is available? Are they here una?
Mommy princess, you go mute first. Mommy Michelle talk.
Okay.
I want match the TikTok. Now one after the other.
A blame. Who are we going to give the blame? Inena hiani mawatana. Ije use. Ose use. Dafon ema use. All those things. To me, I'ma make sense. Wagima do wuji dog ya daji. I do wuji. We wanna re Sharon. Sharon is too young. Na do a debate nya. No, we have who kimeku anybody at all. Do I feel like Kongbe she's too young. Or some vibe. Whether we like it or not, the mother is in pain. I mean, won him here, told him, ya no be able to be at there. When ya make a friendship, ya ma make a friendship. Oh, Iye Sharon, RTA. To me, all this debating, all these things, say rock by me, you book pano, jeni maropa. Uwe Sharon, with my age. Because she's too mean, she's too small. Then Imam Anola do Mokpano tell Mokpaban, already news, or Italy, Sharon was having health problem. Sharon can have health problem in it. Or see me no care. I don't know. And then here high noa, nobody knows. How I wish each one of us can make peace. Silent on this case, let the mother mock her daughter. If they can't lose a boy need no dollar when you be money, whatever he has said. Omagmo you talk about why me one and I go no way problem you when you child marriage. Basbos here fair work.
Mommy precious.
Mama boss.
Yeah, mommy Michelle okay. No.
Anything near remain a marriage or here me I want to marriage more perfect is say. A marriage more perfect is a very old time at that mean for now. That is marriage for every one of us. It cannot to me or more important. It cannot.
I disagree.
It's a leger. Go me round up on any when name a question. Let me round up.
No.
We're muting. You can't think about it. One after the other, get together.
Where did I finish it? But why did I finish it?
Yeah, my wife, we're talking to see it. Mommy Michelle, one after the other, Mama, go. I'll carry corner for this.
That one, and yet he go. I may come down.
Who can't go and I can't move one after the other.
I conclude with one word. Ezoni mahia fe wa gwina elekinoriye. E debate on imame elekinoriye elekinokide. Emi opake kan ije. Emi opake kan waro wagima du wujina no water we want to na Sharon.
Mama, ije, mari ke not in the place. Mama person do matters in beto ne. Mama,
Mama, get together who are so.
Please, don't I have right to say something?
I'm with you.
Please, Mama, if your money has set today now. Sis, what did happen now? Oh, sis, one by one. Emma was
sis Evidian. Yeah, but not talking with sis Evidian.
One thing I have to say is this, Mama, please, I don't want any living soul. If you're not power tapping, you have to because of season here power tapping, mama. No shop in the community.
Power tap.
Please, power tap for me, guys. Please. If I have to work on my power tap, you don't make a decision for yourself.
Power tap in the manner.
Please. I don't want to hear the word again in this platform where how we do the so he not called for. Now that make us no. He called for. Through one mistake, another person learn. Through one person mistake, a million of people will learn. We are not dragging the dead. We are not fighting the mother. Neither are we fighting the baby father nor his friends. But we are making awareness for those that have ears. Or for those that want to make the same mistake. For them to know that that is what we are doing today. If you know you are not caught out for it, please say back. Because all this will happen, no talking. Because of the same thing. A lot of our women's in Nigeria, let them know the implication. Please. My person has shot in the like
Mama, now you know so the topic is long. So I'm not supposed I get the one you question or you know they say my wife now you let me know later. So Mommy Michelle talking the next person is Mommy Princess where to where. Because the man ask me one. So me might talking me. Mommy Zara me talking. Oh no me one. Okay. Mommy Sexy mommy or we talking sexy baby.
Mama Michelle, continue. Mama Michelle, continue. You go back, please. Round up.
Mommy Michelle, why you don't carry the bag?
Oh, I mean, if I conclude the one, if you were to me or him and Michelin. Mighty one, we are really angry.
Mama, where you talk
my hair one more. I'm here to one more who you may not soon because of the death of this young girl. Blaming the mother or him, again nothing. Blaming the husband, again nothing. Yes, he able to make all the important way awareness, you know, good. But I will beg each one of us, why give my blame on my ropa? I think blame who rene that so. But what give my underlining your pa. Sharon Okpame was not in a good health condition. Ebe ni agben la di news. Non la di Italy na. Ni send there go anybody at all. Ni send there go no translator no down him in anti. Sharon was having a serious health problem. 2 years ago, 2 years before she died, again do operation. Ohama gear you for one reason or the other. So imagine where Omaro Paro lost your way.
I got a health issue. I don't know operation. Amayahu, when I am echo.
Ekiano my hair go with now.
No, healthy. No, how my way occur a healthy way there at risk. Or mark there to Gaji. When I am echo. Mommy, where's it? Well, Lisa, continue, chef.
Now me they talk
Mommy Princess talk.
Mama
good morning.
Happy Sunday.
Good morning, man. Continue.
Yeah, good morning.
God, happy Sunday to you.
Make una no vex for me na just my own opinion. Now I want talk. For me, and when they take beat pikin, now they take the drop pikin come back.
Our time, please, guys, don't leave me here, please.
That one, now number one. I go say the three of them get small fault, especially the Sharon, she get big fault inside. That one na number one. Make I use myself as an example. Family come make me angry. I can't run go outside, go meet friend. No, now myself I dey use an example. When friend come show me pepper. Now here my mom tell you say, see wetin friend show me oh. My mom no wait, make I beg am. She from there carry the matter. Now once she take call me say, my pikin, see wetin I hear. When I explain give my mom, she ask me say, this thing so now 100% truth. I say yes. She from there carry the matter. That one now number one. And Sharon, sometimes wetin fine boys they do us, we will be women. You know they do me because I know they na man house I dey. I know they too look fine boy. Now we I go get rest of mind. Now them me they enter.
There are God where you there, where you can go.
So you wey go from here from Nigeria, you go carry belle, and you know say the boy dey into serious relationship. Many of our guests dey for this Europe, they go get oyibo where they sleep with them. They go they follow black from Nigeria. They go say the oyibo na their papa. Because why? They no wan sit down for husband house. If any woman where you see say they go carry belle, they go carry belle, they come. You know say that woman not ready to tolerate for man hand.
Don't use the word any woman. Some. This one
Some, yeah, that is why I said any. I didn't say all. You understand me? Okay. Charon go carry first belle, he and that guy not dey okay. So quarrel. So why must you go back?
please,
Go
guys,
carry second belle.
please.
You go carry first belle, you and the guy not deal. Then you go back again, go carry second belle again. That one na our own fault where Sharon gets. Then for me, when I not vex so for mommy Sharon, you can't see your pikin condition like that. You take your pikin enter house. If you quarrel with your pikin small, you go see use hand take pet am. Because this life wey be say we dey, nobody is perfect. As I dey for here so, I not dey perfect. You understand me? She supposed to use as like when my girlfriend born her first son. Now me her mother not dey here. Now me stay with her for hospital. Immediately she born, they carry the pikin come outside. Thank God say I follow my girlfriend for back. When she just enter bedroom where she want go ease herself, now so my girlfriend fall. If me not date bedroom with her, she be don't go. The way where I take scream, I can't scream her name 3 times. Now she shock, come back to life again. Some people get that strength, some people not get that strength. You understand me? So the big blame, for me, mommy still get small and where they take big pikin and they take the drop pikin come back. The big blame, if they go to that beautiful lady where die.
Well, so thank you, sister.
Big blame, they go to that beautiful. I know they judge her because if I tell you say when the girl die at that time, the thing pain me so bad.
Okay, Mama Star, thank you. Don't hear what you talk.
Okay, mommy. Thank you.
Zara God, we are here. Why we care? Please, Lisa, Kalekwa.
Wow, still. Good morning, everybody.
Mommy Lisa, Bohia. Okay.
Welcome, Bohia.
Lamogo. Call Mama Sophia Lamogo. Mama Michelle.
Bohia Zeko, happy Sunday.
A voice is a boy. Iyo na we ni ayo. Ina we ni ye phone. First person no wala de yepo. Me marry no sunu na. I don't understand. Anyway, I said to Oni later. Wala gugu. Ema buno me high blood pressure wa buna. Ema buno de emotion. Ema buno no think differently. Ma we are going with platform peso. Wagima calm down. We are all mothers as we did the talk. Nobody be sent. Maya ni rema ema ni bu oda fungwa aguwa gwa jokpakpan iwi wa gbe. But as a platform, why do I form me? I'm a mother, responsible mother. So don't know where me I know yari been over here, no ma ever, or no table no we. I will some of na we husband not deal with. Why here go be wagwan, or we want know where we see I why am I baby father not to target? Are you a good mother? Are you doing example to your children? Even why you let's stop saying it in the public, claiming what we are not. Okay? Wawari opiari grandma, even wa agbon ya wa zopopo won bo. Ari o wi de sharon. Aya agbe age yin mi le lo bi ewe or f o magba o wi eyin. O magba e pampas o ma lele. Were you there? Is any of you that are saying all this living in that house? I shout Jesus, he come back. Pastor Mary, why we say? You understand me? Because I went out with emotion. They have no emotion. A voice note in all Latin. In your word that phone over voice note. In your word that phone. O bodo wiere me show man no we tie. O wiere we voice again. With my sister, on my way oni. On my way boy, on my way send their voice in Amalaja. Could you ever believe when a boy na ya gwan where this girl was emotional pained like that? Their voice in Amalaja. When a boy ni do ya gwan to the essence or where iye Sharon a irresponsible person settle here. Or settle in your that is an insult. Or no bio me van we might tell introduction re we might tell anything re we had what we jag are responsible. Ari gele mi nije go ye gwiji all this why. Ari okay piano now man hey go don't need to get on go or get on introduction don't need you. What I mean not to do agboya ware negative side of this woman. You gonna tell me that this woman have never give a positive advice to this child before? Maya ni gwana de not done eri ma vijima. Ni make we look mio. Maya done yo. When on we blah boy, when you were once a well, it cannot I am is it your business? Or how am work occasionally or yale look where Japan with Cameroon? It's nobody's business. It's just unfortunate she met a wrong person. We are not my mature.
Now break. Me they go break. You might want to go break here. Please now power tab.
Yeah, I will break you aside me.
Yeah, we'll break. Come on, sis. Yeah, go. Sis. Please, let's power tab.
As I'm saying, guys, I'm not upset. Okay, at the same time, I'm upset for some certain words that I'm hearing for the past few days. Sharon is an adult, 30-something years old woman. When nije ala lo ni sahia. Na one we time mana banwe okpa no hive kena. Okpa wawe ohia wawe CIA iyan wavia a 40-something years old man when nije afide no round no to just you way no care diaper no ye white people lo ni san 40-something years old man. Ere ni mona na re 18 re 16 re 20 ya madam ejia age na wa weni ado ya dam ejia. What are we saying? What are we saying? A Nigerian wayana nwa a senior sister who wani boom iya gbekpo le lokpe arule ladian wo weru we ona to lokpe ana we na le lona ona to lemu le lekpa. Some of you have it.
Listen. We have a Nigeria problem ma. We not buy we real. You are generalizing this talk now to be one igwayo. First to start by where to go have here ba. Una where in live video which we take as joke. Now you came up now I don't know.
Eosi gumegwa.
Gonna go out. Don't say
Eosi gumegwa.
You trust on the okay, well, it's the truth now.
Okay, well, give me one. Ya land one.
Mommy, listen, one land there because they were
okay, ya land. Now calm down. Emini is that Emini ekeni gwande emani wa blame je igugwan yebo.
Okay.
Because ejo pari abere mi nana. That's what I'm saying. Emini ta can understand. Ije nemani bun wa tiena. That's why I'm pointing out all these things. You understand? Ena point out because let's be frank. Ije ti hamuye kenona ya mwekore.
You don't know how to talk. Who are you referring to? Queen One of Canada. Don't know Google. Who they refer to? Now me, I've been a Stanlisa.
You I no fit. Since I know sabi talk, take her like that because it might go well go on. You understand? So what I'm trying to say now,
Why go
This
do this on TV West? I beg, legit.
ọwẹ kọ ẹwẹ gwa gbè mí. Ọwẹ okay, ni only tie is that a brother no a boy no be na. Or small boy, mama me eti talking na ya we 360. Yeah, we 360 a platform. A platform. We age no matter now. We okay, you be 30, nene not by we no matter na. Yeah, work be even though you senior man with 10 years, man a senior. Abieru wata. Or you saw Sharon wa change ya. Small boy. When no marry 50 years you wa. Other from when mama mature. It only takes maturity for a man to operate. Age. Biase ti are 25 years, or mature say 30 years, or mature say 40 years. You understand? Ekenona ya mweko is not my problem, but a problem in oro, emi no sunu ne. Nobody should blame this mother because she's still there.
Brother, sorry, Jegui. I be one block you, so you I saw I be one just block you. I'm not going to
mute Mona talk.
Jay, continue. And that's okay, now break. I'll break, brother. Sir, well done, sir. It's about blocking my way. Jay, let's continue. And that's okay, break.
Mama, the only tie is that a brother ni no be a guy no be na is a fault. Only maybe blame me. Understand? EJ Sharon. Sharon again a social media na ona kiwa or appreciate EJ work kiwa when agreeing money in everything she has achieved EJ now see ni akesa ga me wa no post a party ni again na appreciate EJ in life okay oseng ogeno ohose no riodo ama wa zo we
let this child no so that this
Oh, what go mute what get one man
mute
oh let the jail every miracle mute on it let's talk about this stuff. We need to feel mark wow.
Yeah, but me I'm mute. What distracting me? Yeah, maybe later.
We're talking Melissa.
Let's talk now as well.
It's okay.
Let's continue. Melissa,
go on.
I don't know what my network.